My name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip, we're going to do a jack pattern, but I'm going to do it to a specific song. So I have done this particular track, We Will Rock You by Queen, and I've shown you in past Aqua Tips the jogging pattern and the cross-country ski pattern, but you can also do it with jumping jacks, and it works so well with jumping jacks. It's really nice. So the beat goes quick, quick, bump, 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 bump with We Will Rock You. And it would work like this. 1, 2, stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop. Now this is with your heels on the bottom of the pool, fingers spread wide open, and you are pushing in with your palm and pushing out with the back of your hand. Your fingers are spread apart so that you're making, like, you know, open fingers, not claw like I do with a lot of movement patterns. This is with your fingers spread wide open, and you're using both the back of your arm and the forearm, so the back of the forearm and the front of the forearm, to push. Can you hear that? That's the Australian kookaburra for my overseas friends. If you've ever wondered why it's called a kookaburra, they sound like they're laughing. Probably laughing at me right now. So let's get back to it. They're probably going, oh, that move is an excellent move for that Queen song. I agree. So we're going to go quick, quick, hold, quick, quick, hold, quick, quick, hold, quick, quick, hold. Push, push, out, push, push, out. You'll feel it in your biceps and your triceps. Your legs won't feel that much, but you can keep your heels down for those people that go, oh my God, my clients are on their toes all the time. This is a heels down action because you'll get more out of it. You keep your heels down. In, hold, out, in, out, in. Yeah, it's a good upper body workout, and because that song has got such a defined beat, it works so well with that movement, and your clients will actually stick to the tempo. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. Did you like the kookaburra? Yeah, we're very fortunate in Australia. We have some wonderful animals and birds that make awesome sounds. But here we are talking about how to do that jumping jack demonstration on pool deck. Not hard. So the key thing here is you need to make sure you spread your fingers wide and your elbows sit away from your body, so it's out. So when your arms are extended out, they just basically extend out from the elbow and then they come in. Now this is a common error. Instructors bring their elbows in too close and they do this sort of thing, and you can't get that white water action and you can't get the bicep tricep activation when you have your elbows here, right? So it's not a rotator cuff exercise, it's a bicep tricep exercise, and you need to make sure that the palms stay facing inwards. So you're pushing out with the back of your hand, and demonstrate that to your class. So you would start off with feet together and you'd go quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop, quick, quick, stop. Now another little tip, because you're on land, try not to jump your feet too wide apart. It's actually not necessary. And when you're in the pool, you don't actually take your legs out really wide. So one of the things that I've seen instructors do is they go out too far, you know, in their enthusiasm. And the reality is, 1, it slows you down, but 2, it's hard on the pelvic floor and the joints, and 3, that's not what they're doing in the water. So how far do your feet go out? That far, not very far apart at all. And it makes it easier on your joints as well and on your pelvic floor, especially when you are exercising on a hard pool deck. Now, I like to demonstrate with both my feet. I like to do the jumping jack with both feet. certainly when I initiate the demonstration. Then afterwards, maybe if I'm fatigued, I will then do the single leg. The reason why is because you can actually do that movement with one leg. And my clients don't always have the best hearing and may not always pay attention, and they might miss the point of the exercise, and I want them to do both legs at the same time. Great move, especially with that track, the Queen song, We Will Rock You. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so that you know that you can come back and watch these videos again.